JXSC 30 TPH Mobile Stone Crushing Station Site. It consists of a vibrating feeder, fine jaw crusher, vibrating screen and belt conveyors. All equipment is installed in a heavy-duty trailer with 2-axis, rubber tires and wheel hub. We also supply electric cabinets for controlling, including the electric wires and cables. It's the market's most cost-effective crushing and screening equipment. The mobile crusher plant is widely used for river pebble, granite, basalt, iron ore, limestone, quartz, diabase, iron ore, gold, copper and various stone crushing plants. It's also widely used in mines, coal mines, and construction waste recycling, earth and stone works, urban infrastructure, roads or construction sites. The vibrating screen can screen out 3 different sizes of materials at the same time for further processing or for end use. Integrated design concept reduces the installation of basic equipment and auxiliary equipment on site, and reduces the installation time of customers. The unit design is reasonable and compact, which reduces the floor space of the traditional stone material yard, and the transition is very convenient to use, reducing the secondary investment of the customer to change the working place. The mobile crushing station produced by our company is complete in variety, serialized in specifications, and has a wide choice. JXSC can be customized according to the different needs of customers to meet the production needs of customers.